Welcome back to Quiz Corps.
Think you're an expert? Most people fail 90% of these mind-blowing facts. Can you get a perfect score? Let's find out. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Corps channel for more exciting quizzes. How much spit do you produce in your life? Answer B, 2 swimming pools. Is an ostrich's eye bigger or smaller than its brain? Answer B, bigger. How much urine does a person make in a lifetime? Answer B, 500 baths. What is unique about the male platypus? Answer B, it has venom. What is actually stored in a camel's hump? Answer B, fat. Are fungi, like mushrooms, more like plants or animals? Answer B, animals. Which animal is the largest land carnivore? Answer B, polar bear. How many bones are in a giraffe's neck? Answer A, 7. Which part of a baby grows the fastest? Answer B, the head. What is it called when your body remembers a germ? Answer B, immunity. How do honeybees tell others where to find food? Answer B, they dance. About how many hairs do you lose from your head daily? Answer B, 50 to 100. How long can a python go without eating after a big meal? Answer C, several months. Where is an insect's skeleton located? Answer B, outside. Besides lungs, how do amphibians breathe? Answer A, through their skin. What did the massive long-necked dinosaurs eat? Answer B. Plants. Which of these is an example of an omnivore? Answer C. Human. Why are ladybirds usually bright red or yellow? Answer C. To warn predators. In which decade was penicillin discovered? Answer B. 1920s. What is the gas that makes bread dough rise? Answer B. Carbon dioxide. How much thread is in a single silkworm cocoon? Answer C. 1 mile. How far can a cactus spread its roots? Answer C. 50 feet. How long can a giant sequoia tree live? Answer C. 3,000 years. Why do some trees drop their leaves in winter? Answer B. To save water. How fast do stalactites in caves grow? Answer C. An inch a century.
Choose your next challenge and hit that like and subscribe button.